Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Eddie's Speed Garage. My name's Ed, and this is my 2019 Pilot and Passport. Today we're going to be installing K&N air filters. They're a washable, reusable filter with a 1,000,000-mile guarantee, 10 years, that are said to improve performance and fuel economy. All you have to do is wash them and put them back in, and it says you don't even have to do the first one until 50,000 miles, depending on the conditions in your area. But the main reason for using these things is just the cost. It's $51 for these off the big online retail distributor, but to buy an even aftermarket one that's just a regular paper filter costs about $25. So after 2 replacements, this filter's already just about paid for itself. So we're going to show you the installation, so stick around and we'll get to that. Alright, so first we're in my Pilot, and just to show you that on the B we have 19.4 miles per gallon average over 3,069.9 miles. So I'm going to go ahead and reset that. Now we're back to 0, and we're going to move over to the Passport. Okay, so here we are in the Passport. She's got 13,000 miles on this one, and it's got 18.1 mile per gallon average over 5,161.4 miles. So now we'll move over to the installation on one of these cars, and I'm going to reset this one back to 0, and you can see right now she's averaging 17 on this tank. Alright, so here we have the air box. I've already done a video on how to change it in the Pilot, so I'll just do it over here. So you just slide it back, There's another one on this side. Slide it towards the driver. Lift this end up. Pull it towards you. Pull a little bit, and it pops out of the tabs. Just pick it up. Pull it out. That one's out. Now these filters are washable and reusable, and the first wash interval isn't until 50,000 miles, but you be the judge of that. So you just drop her in place, you re-tab the 2 little tabs that are here in the bottom and the inside, start flipping it back on, and you're done. Also, they come with a sticker that lets people know that this is a washable, reusable filter and not to throw it away. Clean that off there. Give her a couple of seconds to dry. Should be pretty good. And just place that there. And we're done. 50,000 miles in between cleanings for these filters. And not to mention the fact that, an aftermarket filter for these cars cost about $25. So, if you spend $50 on this thing, you'll save yourself a lot of money in replacing these filters. But real quick, I'll show you the tabs. Tab, tab, and tab. Pop, pop, pop. Lift this end up, pull it towards you. And those are the 2 catches there, and those are the 2 tabs that fit in. It's just this right out. Alright, so both cars are done. It took me like 3 minutes to do them both, not including popping and propping the hoods. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video in the next month so we can compare to see if we got any improvement in gas mileage. With my experience in the past, any seat of the pants feel that you might have expected, probably won't feel it. But, if you get an improvement in economy, that's 100% worth it. And just so you guys know, this is by no way an advertisement or paid endorsement by K&N. This is just from my own experiences. Catch you next time.